atu purujuka na lolo itungalu awoja soroti kesa patu oriengutu akalona Abaasi na anapit Esisiakaka Esisianakinaka lwa departa kaisa kanyare luti abait Alosete Aisisia Jinja anakino lori na aboi orot neda edupara Esisiak iarelu esiomete Milan High School kaberemaido etwakikinete nepenen luatwaka kesi ajeni kwape Susan Alwedo auriata na ochero kaberemaido ka Simon Peter erigu auriata lo etem kaberemaido.
The driver of the bus is on the run, but we are hunting for him to come and explain to us what exactly happened. But want to request the parents of this school to become, as government is doing all that is best to ensure that the lives of these ones who are at hospital is rescued.
Remember, you're supposed to do exams on the 13th. You're starting with briefing on the 13th. I don't think if you go home, you're going to be stable in your mind. There is a lot of information that is going outside there. Jadioto. I can only confirm 2 students who have so far died. We have Eringu Peter, then Alwedo Susan, Director wa Nathan Egaru, T.A. Bear.
Emurolo eyait mwenyeso adekisa na polo na kausoroti Dr. Asanasias Ariengu yes abara ebe idu akaisara luongono kesi ekanga suna erono yare kesi eyangasi itosoma ete ekwam kosodi apesurawuni kesi aponi oyangarai aijen.
Today at around 4 a.m. I got a call from the DPC, so immediately I dispatched my team, 3 ambulances from the regional referral hospital. So we immediately brought those students. Many of them were injured, around 24 were badly injured with a number of fractures on both lower and upper limbs. And the others were also injured, but they were not all that. So we have confirmed we have lost 2 students who have died. They are in our mortuary. In theater, they have already worked on 4 patients. Many of them have come out actually and they are stable. On the side of challenge is that as a region we don't have an emergency accident and emergency unit. So we had to bring those patients from down where they got accident straight to the ward.
Right, the bus is seriously damaged. We came and tried to rescue, to remove the bus, take it to CAPS.
Menesami sekin bonebe awoja ngesa boy sitina chama itapuga ni bona mamu mkera hamza rego bia woto mabete ela pedo pelo kopani dawo idasa tesini ne dota kanyari dora itopa itop ni kama nara kedaka ngasa ne motoka dora silu awoja
konye motoka ngole gwe ngona sagata mpira buang ebuanga motimoto apupu ne tasa apupu ngobon be ba amti dongo bale biro re motoka le biro konya kawlo na ngakernu ne adunu obebu motoka ilulueti dwa doketa na mepatana
wan ateker me kumam Rafael Otaya loda abu ipejok lu ekanga suna kadekes na kosoroti nyesa abu ichorak isomeroi apara aibuokiti duwe kware karai Alosete toma Aisisia ne luana kanu aitidishar akangasia.
So I would not support any school transporting students at night. It is a risky movement. A study trip is not timed. Iyotu ni yesawa wu, diko ni yesawa wu, diko no geno isoma wu yesawa wu. So there was no need traveling at night.
James Edao loerai papake kalo Atwan Simon Peter erigu yesi ebuoro ebe eswama nyesi elualo.
Yesterday evening, they are now going for tour in Jinja, and I sent for it. Then he told me we are going tonight. So in the morning, they came and picked me from work that your son died on the accident.
Kanwa TV East, Tolbert Edaiti, Ka Habat Eyoku, Korot Alawoja Soroti Mbale, Kosoroti District.